and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special box that arrived on my doorstep through the post office only a couple of hours ago. Our post office seems to be delivering earlier and earlier these days, understandably so. I think, you know, the postman just wants to get the mail delivered and home and done with. But this box, I did open it. I didn't go through it. I just slid it open. So recently, actually before all of the issues with the virus and quarantining and all of that, before that actually happened, a group of us had been contemplating doing a spring type of collab on YouTube. Unfortunately, that couldn't happen because of all of the current events going on. Shopping has become quite difficult. Even as far as grocery shopping, I go once a week. I try to get everything I can. I don't go out very, very often. I don't want to be out more than I need to be. I wear my mask. I do what I need to do. Get in, get out, and that's it. But this box, and I want to get this right because this person that sent this to me, she is another YouTuber. She does not want credit for it. She doesn't want me to say her name. She's doing this as a pay it forward type of a deal, and she is supporting a local small business, and I believe in her area. But I will give a hint because I am so thankful for her friendship. She is someone that follows this channel, and I follow her channel. And a real quick hint, her channel overall is very inspirational to me, but moreover, her vlogs about her transitioning to gray hair, even more so in recent times, because I started graying when I was very, very young, in my early 40s, but I saw my first grays around the time I was 18. It is genetic. My mother's father started graying very young as well. So I usually get my hair dyed every 4 weeks to get rid of those grays at this point, but current situation, not able to do that. So if you notice, my hair is slowly but surely turning gray at the roots. My husband jokes that it's like the Cruella hairdo, but at this point, this person has inspired me to maybe think about, even when things go back to normal, working more with my grays, managing them more in a more subtle way. So that said, let's get into this box because she had it sent to support her local business, and I want to get in here and see what business I am supporting on this channel, and I am thankful for them wanting to do something so nice and kind during this time. So let's open it. This is how it came. It is so nicely packaged. I don't want anything falling out, but that's the way it looks. So on top, I am noticing a couple of items before I get into the actual package. Okay, I'm back. I had to tend to something real quick, but I am back. So in the top of this package it says Handworks Global Gifts for a Small Planet. This is the card. And inside it says, Handworks, we pledge that in choosing and selling handcrafts, we uphold dignity, unity, and justice for the global human family. We seek those works that express the joy and depth of the human spirit, works that touch the place in us where we are all connected. Fine American handcrafts and global art, jewelry, pottery, lighting, garden art, scarves, and handbags, incense and soaps, instruments and toys, myriad adornments and accessories for body and home. And so this is the message from my YouTube friend. She doesn't want her name mentioned, but she wants me to put the Handworks website in my description box for others to use. She would appreciate it. So I will do that. That'll be in the link below. And here is the note. You have been sent this care package by someone that loves you very much. From Handworks Gallery, Winchester, Virginia. Please tag a photo on Instagram at Handworks Gallery or Facebook at Handworks Gallery, Winchester, VA. Visit our website, handworksgallerywinchesterva.com. So all of this information that is on this note, I will leave in the description box. So again, thank you to both the local company and the YouTuber who is one of my very, very good friends. I adore her just as much as it seems she adores me, but I just love her. So thank you. Thank you so much. So some little packages. Let me get to those first. Ooh. So Wild Botanicals Milky Shea Soap. That smells so good. If you can see it. It's a bar of soap and the scent. Oh my gosh. So it says www.shopwildbot.com. Love the scent. I'm big into soaps and hand creams. Anybody that knows me, I was out shopping before all of this happened, and kind of a funny story, but I was in a local store and I know one of the people that is one of the workers in the store, and she said to me, always smells so good. She goes, you don't vape, do you? And I said, no, I don't vape. She goes, but you always smell so sweet, like sweet smells. So I let her smell my hand at the time. She goes, yes, that's it. It was my hand cream. So to be honest, I use a lot of different hand creams, body lotions, and soaps. I'm big into that. Oh, look at this. The rarest gift is a true friend, but the truest gift is a rare friend. Small batch sea salt dark chocolate. I want to open that, but I'm going to be good. And I'm going to save that to have with, I have some chocolate wine, maybe later as a dessert wine. I will crack that open and have that with the wine and pair it with that. So thank you. And I will definitely enjoy this later on. Okay, now to the actual larger box, which that was on there too. Little leaf adornment. A lot of packaging. It's packaged really, really well. Let's see if I can roll this packaging out and put it to the side. Make sure before I put this to the side there's nothing else, just packing peanuts. Let me take that out. And just make sure I'm not missing anything else before I indeed dispose of the box. So I think that is it. Okay, let's put the box down here. There. Let's see what we got. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's see. It's always so nice to get a happy mail, and I've always been that type of person. I love when mail comes, even not so much the bills, but I love getting packages. I'm like a big kid, so. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful this is. It's a mug. And all of my friends on YouTube know that I'm obsessed with mugs. As you know, I usually collect Raydon, but this is gorgeous. Oh my God, the colors. I don't know if my camera is doing it justice. It's like different tones of blue. I'm definitely going to be displaying this and hopefully maybe even using, but so nice. Oh my gosh. Thank you to my friend, and thank you to the company that sent me this. I really appreciate this, and I will definitely once again include all of their information in the comments, as well as be sharing a photo over on Instagram. So hope you take a look over on my Instagram channel. I'll leave that link in the comments as well. But thank you again. You made my day a little bit brighter. It's been so crazy here, so this really has brightened up an absolutely crazy time. Thank you again. And to all of my subscribers, thank you for spending some time with me once again today. For those who aren't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button below. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. And I hope everybody is still continuing to stay safe and sound in their own homes. And again, I just thank you. Have a magical day, and bye for now.